So friends, if you're trying to connect AirTag with your iPhone, but you are getting an error message saying that the battery needs to be replaced in your AirTag, but you don't know how to replace it, then this video is for you. Now, without wasting any time, we are going to directly start the video. First of all you need to do is at the back end side, you will be able to see the back plate of your AirTag. All you have to do is just press the back plate and rotate it towards the left side. And once you do that, the back plate will come off. Now, this is the battery. Whenever you're purchasing a new battery, make sure that the model number is same. Now, this battery has CR2032. So make sure the new battery should have CR2032 model number. And I have a new battery over here, which if I show you, you can see the model number is CR2032. So always try to use the same model number battery. It's recommended. Now, all you have to do is just put the new battery on your AirTag, and to check if it is working or not, once you place the battery, all you have to do is just press and hold it, and you will hear a sound from AirTag. If you do not hear sound from AirTag, again try to press it and check out if the tone is coming or not. And once it is confirmed, put the back plate, place it like this basically, and again press it, and this time rotate it towards the right side. So yeah, I'm able to hear the sound. Let's start with the setup process. Now, whenever you bring AirTag near to your phone, you will get a pop-up screen like this. All you have to do is tap on connect option, and now you will get an option to select AirTag name. So either you can use it for backpack, bike, camera, handbag, headphones, jacket, or you can choose whichever option you want. I'm going to select backpack for now. Select continue option, and it will ask you to link the AirTag with your Apple ID. Simply select agree and go ahead. Now you can see it is tracking the AirTag. All you have to do is just select done option, and if I go in find my option now, and if I go in items, you can see I am able to check out the backpack AirTag over here. So yeah, that's how simple it is to replace battery in your AirTag, and how to connect it to your iPhone. You got to know that. So that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.